SQI College of ICT, where we're making Africa a tech continent, one mind at a time. My name is Jennifer, a serving corps member at the college, and today I'm going to be walking you through what a typical day in SQI College of ICT, Ogbomosho, looks like. You want to see? Come with me, let's go. Alright, so when you come to SQI College of ICT, Ogbomosho, the first entrance you're going to see is the reception section. We have a couple of people there right now, and activities are currently ongoing. So let's see how it looks like. Let's go. Here is the reception section. As you can see, we have people who are currently being attended to, and this is where everything you need to know, make inquiries, and all of goes on. Let's go. Here is the hardware department. We have the NID section, the software engineering section, and you can currently see there's a class ongoing. We're about to enter the Department of Digital Literacy. I think there's currently a defense ongoing, so let's check it out. I introduced to you the hardware section initially. Let's go inside and take a look and see what it looks like. Come in. This looks strange. I don't even know what it is, but let's go. Funny how people think that tech is only for adults. Well, come and see children like, a few children also learning tech. They're literally brainstorming. Wow, I just saw somebody. He's an instructor here at SQI. Come, let's ask him a few questions. Good morning. Hey guys, so I bumped into some of the instructors here at SQI. Can you please tell us your names?
My name is Oluwaseyi Odokumaya.
Amade Modoka Zodola.
Okay, Mr. Shea, what do you do for us at SQI?
I'm a full stack web developer, a mobile app application developer. I teach students to build web applications and mobile applications.
Alright, cool. How about Ms. Dorcas?
Okay, I'm also a full stack developer. I teach students in the software engineering department with Ocean, and also a developer at SQI Consultants.
Alright, thank you. Are you about to start a class or something?
Yes.
Alright, enjoy your class. Have a nice day. Bye. Let's go. Hi, Mr. Timothy. Good morning. How are you? How is work? So, hey guys, this is Mr. Timothy. He is the current secretary at SQI College of ICT. Mr. Timothy, how are you doing this morning, sir?
I'm doing fine.
How is work going?
My work is going fine.
You're looking pretty good today. So, what's up now? What's happening here? We just said we should come and say hello.
This is the admission office, whereby we grant admission to students. We control the exams and record here as well, and other things that have to do with the academics. So, if you have anybody coming in for NID application, that is a diploma program here at SQI, they can come into this place. So, I'm currently, students are already on. The section has begun since August 15th. So, and then by December, we're going to end the program as applied. So, that's just it about it.
Alright, sounds cool. Thank you, sir. We're just going through like a typical day in SQI, so we said we should bump into you. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so now we're going to go to the design department, That's my department, UI UX 100. Let's go. I have to, first of all, get to the robotics department. I'm going to come back to UI UX. So let's go to robotics. So he's not around now. I guess we just wait. I'm exhausted. Am I supposed to be exhausted? Well, a typical day in SQI is usually quite exhausting, even if you are a student or an instructor, because there's just so much to do. You're either learning so hard or working so hard to ensure that people are learning really hard. So yeah, it's always a very, very busy day. So okay, I just remembered something. While we wait, we have a general hub where everybody can just chill and continue with their learning right after their classes. So let's visit them. Let's go there. Come. Here at the general hub, this is where people come to when, of course, they're not having classes and they need to do their assignments and all of that kind of stuff. So let's ask a couple of people how they are faring and what exactly they are doing here. Let's see. Hello. Hi. Can I talk to you? Good morning. What's your name?
Abdurrahman.
Okay. Are you a student here at SQI?
Yes.
Okay. So what's up? What are you doing exactly?
I'm doing native development.
Okay. So how is that going? How's been your experience so far?
It's very good.
Any other thing you want to add?
Not really well. I can say this place is kind of a great citadel of learning, which I've been adding up to my knowledge, and it's very, very good. I'm very, very comfortable here.
All right, cool. Have a nice day. All right, so let's talk to a few more people. Hi. How are you? What's up?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Okpeyemi.
Okay, Okpeyemi, how far? What are you doing? I'm sure you're a student here at SQI, right? So what's up? What department are you in and what level? How far have you gone? What's going on?
That's a lot of questions, My name is Okpeyemi. I'm an SQI student, software engineering level 3. I'm currently working on an assignment, a project, so to speak. So,
okay, so how has been the experience so far?
Fantastic. I enjoy, when there's learning and there's a structure to learning, So this is the whole thing there is to SQI. There's structure, experience in teaching, and we are just, having fun, basically,
All right, that's cool. Enjoy the rest of your day. Let me not disturb you much. So let's talk to one more person, a female. We have to be inclusive, girl power. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Can you tell us your name?
Ajobololade.
Okay, so what's up now? What department are you in? What level has been your experience in SQI? Just tell us something.
Okay, so department software engineering, web development, and I'm currently doing my level 3 class. Okay, so I'm not taking classes for now. I'm taking on projects and working on myself, and that's how I come to SQI today.
So how has it been going? Do you find it interesting?
That's been going on fine.
Are there any challenges?
Yeah, sure.
Can you state just one challenge you're going through right now?
Okay, I think I overcome the challenge I was going through because at some point I was using a particular tool, then I changed to, and it was kind of difficult. But yeah, I'm back on my feet.
All right, I wish you success. Good luck. Have a nice day. Bye. All right, guys, so we are done at the hub. Let's go to robotics now. Now we're back to robotics, and he's here. Hello. Good morning. So, can you tell us, what's going on here? Well, let's get to know your name first. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Daniel Adejuma.
Okay, Mr. Daniel. So what happens here in this department?
Okay, yeah, so this is the robotics lab, and basically we just have a couple of equipment here for rapid prototyping, electronics design, and all.
Okay.
For example, here we have the 3D printing machine, and then some scopes there, and then some other electronics tools inside. So this is just the lab. Training of the students will happen outside where we have the space.
In the main hub.
Exactly.
Okay, so do you have a couple of students now?
Yeah, we do have a couple of students now.
Okay, so what has the training been like? Are there any challenges for you as an instructor?
Challenges, yeah, I think there will always be one or two things that can get better, and whatever it is, I think we are working on it to make it better.
All right, thank you for your time. This place looks lovely, by the way. You should see the library behind you. Cool. Thank you, Mr. Daniel. Thank you for your time. Bye. What's your name?
My name is Dolapo.
All right, Mr. Dolapo. What do you do for us here at SQI College of ICT?
Well, I'm an associate product manager here, and also act in capacity of project manager too. So I manage a lot of projects here. Yeah.
All right, cool. So what is a typical work day for you like at SQI?
Work field, well, really, it's really work field. A whole lot of things going on at the same time. So, interesting things going on at the same time. Fine, also.
All right, sounds cool. Do you think that there are challenges with your work? Do you feel like there are stuff that needs some level of improvement so that you can be more effective with your job and all of that kind of stuff?
Well, there's no workplace without challenges, right? Yeah, there's no workplace without challenges. But the beautiful things about SQI is that there are always people on ground to, whatever challenges that present themselves, there will always be solutions to them. And that's what you're about. Yeah.
All right, thank you for your time, Mr. Dolapo. Let's go to multimedia and then we'll come back to UI UX. Okay, so I'm currently at the multimedia department and we have one of our students here. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Ayo.
Okay, Mr. Ayo, what are you currently doing at SQI College of ICT?
I'm learning motion graphics.
Okay, so has that been fun for you? Are you finding it interesting? Are there challenges?
Yeah, it's actually pretty interesting, and I have amazing teachers and they are really taking their time to teach me very well.
Okay, cool. So do you have any challenges you're undergoing currently?
Currently, I don't really have challenge because I'm actually finding it very, very easy to learn, and they are really teaching me well.
Wow, that sounds cool. Anyways, I wish you good luck. Have fun. Bye. So let's go now to the UI UX department. Thank God we're here. We just bumped into the UI UX department instructor, and we just want to ask him a few questions before we go into the class. So, hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is Faith Oluwaseun.
Okay, Mr. Faith. So, what do you do for us here at SQI College of ICT?
I do quite a number of things. I instruct. Then I work as well. Yeah, do a little bit of multimedia. Yeah.
Okay, so I know you to be the product design instructor because you taught me a few things. So, how has that been going for you?
It's been quite fun, challenging as well, with the different kinds of students that come around. But yeah, it's been a wonderful one. Yeah, you get to meet a lot of people, you get to impart knowledge, and then as you do that, you also get better. Yeah, so it's been a wonderful journey.
All right, cool. So are you currently going to have a class now?
Yeah.
Okay, can we take a sneak peek of what your class looks like?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so after you, we'll be behind you. Okay, so this is what the class looks like. A typical UI UX class. So right now everybody's just basically trying to settle in and get started with class. right, guys. I think I'm just going to be wrapping up here. This has been fun. I hope you got a glimpse of what a typical day in SQI can be like for everybody. And I am going to be signing out. See you some other time. Bye.